Ay, magyami. Tired well.
Lagi.
Tired.
Ang bangin.
Go! This is yummy. Guys, I have cheese.
Yeah, yummy. Zin ka, Zin. Sakit. Mo ipalago.
Hindi ka suki mo, ate.
Diyan.
Hindi ko kuya kaya ko kawis rin. Wala.
Kaunta guys kay maghumana na mo, magsayo-sayo eh. The end of the video, magsayo may kaming tanga.
Yeah.
May apel ang grown-ups, okay?
Apel na guys. Baka. Wait, apel si mama. Wait, apel si mama. So, ano? Let Mr. Bill. So that is Mr. Bill. Ba't lagi umar? Ang science ko an. Mo alien. Pero kung just hindi. Ala, ano pa nangyayari ka on?
Ay, yeah. Pas-pas nagkaon. Kaya magsayo ta. Kung lang po, uy.
Bukan na po, ginang ko ubo. Ate, ginang ko ubo. Yes, no?
Ma, desad ka rin na kung imong pabango sa imong mga apoy, ma. Nangukay, kaya ang cellphone nimo. Katuwa lagi nimo, lagi tira, katong imong pabango.
Nate, pagkanyan.
Hey, ipakita nyo din.
Welcome there, guys.
Guys, our brother little bro is very cringe.
Would you be the
box
is crazy.
But I subscribe. They are lit.
This
W Max.
It just came in the movie.
I love purple. See, I love yellow. I love purple.
Blue.
So in love red, quite.
Blue or purple.
Amo gibig daw kasi tanapa.
Mama na ayaw lagi ang muna si Victoria.
Happy New Year. If you're Lanky Box, you're lit Lanky Box. We have no Boxy and Foxy because we're not Philippine. We're not in America. We're in Philippines. We're not have Lanky Box.
We are not in China too. I just have
I have a
toy.
doggy.
I not have a toy because
I have a toy.
I have a house. My kuya is have a toy. Kuya have a toy. So one is a toy, and every day I don't drive that. So go.
Kaya ba na ba din sila? Kaya lang bitan ang pugas.
Ako ka ba sa ka to ba? Di ang papa niya. Julie naman niya. Wako kayo.
Mag-ilang pa mi guys. Ako pag-stop. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay guys. There's Zia's water and me, Zing.
I have Karabu.
Me too. Tama ka Zia, please.
No, I'm sorry about
If you're Lanky Box, you're lit. W for Lanky Box and T-Pose. I love T-Pose like Justin. Justin loves chicken, so as me.
Hey.
And I love purple. I wish I had purple hair. Pag dako rin
Ah,
ako.
Ganang. I
If
not
I'm
have,
gonna grown up, I'm gonna purple hair.
and I grow up, I have a yellow hair. Not with it every day gets sick.
Yeah.
But that is unique. Hawa.
So,
Oh yeah.
Ayaw mo sige mo bad word please kay kanang na-arbit. Nakagulat. Wait, padagplin, ito ka doon. Guys, siya kay Daddy. Private, ayaw ka tanaw nga na dyan. Biglat. Okay. Humana na may, magsayo na tal. 3, 2, 1, go! Hey! Hi guys! Dali na din. Wala, okay ba? Okay guys,